Cheater Caught Red-Handed. Jamaican Movies 2023. Starring Sister Petra, Ethic Boss, Jamrock Home Production.
Jeremiah?
Yes, my wife.
Is not the pee-pee you're throwing at the front of the doorway?
So what happened, my wife?
You crazy? That's the reason why the place smell like that every day. And I'm wondering where that ranking scent come from. You throwing the piss in at the yard front?
My wife, from me a go, my grandmother used to tell me, say, when you throw pee-pee in the yard, it run with ghosts.
Listen to me. Don't come to me with that dirty, stupid, old-time days foolishness.
It's not all-time days, my wife.
Listen to... I don't want you to throw no more piss at the yard front. It stink. And when people come here, what do you think they're going to say about the place? Smell the place how it stink. When the sun come up more than this, you know what's going to happen in the yard. You can't stand your breath.
They just lighting on my wife. You pray? You come out here look argument with me?
How you mean if I pray? You should know if I pray before you come out here dashing the piss before the doorway. Listen to me, don't let me ever smell the place smell rank again. You hear what I
Well,
said?
morning time, you carry it out.
If you're supposed to carry it out, I have too many things to do.
Yeah, I'm not going in there. By the way, where you going just like that?
I am going down to our daughter's house, so that's the reason
Really?
why. Yes, that's the reason why I dressed like this. I want to go and pick up something from her. She said I should come and pick up something.
Make sure you not stay long down there because I know you love the gossiping.
I am not going down there, my husband, to gossip. Why you always talk bad about me?
Because I know you like me and back.
I'm not going down there to gossip. She called me this morning, said I should come down there to pick up something for us, and this is how you're talking to me, and they're just like?
But you know that they just like you should wake up long time and empty the piss spot.
Well, that is your duty. Don't you always
Not
do it
even
before you...
breakfast, I think you make inside
I
for
didn't
me.
get a chance to make the breakfast because she said she's going to work, so I have to rush down there and come back. You hear me?
I'm
And I
not
don't
in
know...
any more argument with
Why you
now.
quarreling? You don't get up before me in the morning and throw away the pee-pee. Now you're arguing about the piss? And one thing I have to tell you...
Try make sure say you don't make me spit at the dry up, you know. Because I know you love the gossiping and you will take the whole day. Oh.
All right, Jeremiah, just go on in the house for heaven's sake. Miserable little old man, a big old man like you, look what you're doing. Huh?
Honey,
Yes, baby.
so from week you know wash, man.
I'm tired, I can't bother with that right now.
From week come out dirty clothes in a basket, you know wash. And you know say me have to go work a morning. What? Listen, me can't wear them clothes here over and over, you know, man.
Why you worry yourself so far? Why you worry yourself so far? In due time the clothes I'm wash, what happened to you? Me don't know
Only
about
a
from
2
week.
days now, me a wear this now, you know, say people at work I go chat. Well, you know, and I like say you at work, you know. You're there at daytime in the bed, you know, just wash out the 2 little pieces of clothes them in the basket, man.
Me never have no vibes. Me never feel good. What you expect me to do? Go wash and drop down over the clothes them. Stop giving me problem early in the morning, youth. I can't manage it so early.
Only me not tolerate them things, you know, man. You have to consider, you know, honey, because you see me out there work so hard. Are you there the whole time? Watch there. Watch there.
Shucks. Me not remember say you have to talk to me. Listen to me. The point is, what me I try to say to you now, alright. Done with the phone. You claim to say look what me I do. Me never feel good this week, as simple as that. Me never feel good. So that's the reason why the clothes them never get for wash.
So when you not get up now and wash out the
Me
clothes
can't
them?
manage it. You see the sun out outside.
So when you have to wash the clothes them?
Maybe later. Maybe later or something. Can't manage that right now. Look here. Me have something to tell you, you know. You know somebody don't want to have money for do something. Me
Well,
have one
listen.
ear. Me have one ear when me see over the internet when me want to send go buy.
Honey,
I think at 36,000 add for it plus delivery nights.
only when me see some changes in you, me deal with them, me have to deal with you, you know.
What you mean by when
Listen
I
me,
see changes
if you
in a me?
can't do things to me, why me I will do things to you? if me come back later, I might close them still in a basket and me do me bring them go to laundromat and get them washed, you know.
You don't have to carry them where you
No,
are,
but
so.
if me come back and see them same way in the basket, it don't make sense.
But here, yeah, me.
Since you not do nothing for me conserve my money then. If I so be the case.
Listen to me. Me can't talk because all you do is just yap your mouth and you don't even understand my feelings. You understand? Me wake up a morning time, me don't feel good.
You're
me
pregnant?
Feel weak. Me not pregnant, but me just don't feel good. Me
So
just
you take
don't.
this thing for a joke, you smile, you take this thing me serious as me stand up here saying.
Yeah, but me just don't feel good. People
You
not
don't
can't wake
feel good,
up.
but you feel good for your phone in your hand. Come like a band to your band. Yeah.
Me not banter the reason why.
Me
Look
not
here.
here, so I ain't an argument with you. Me don't take me make it, me lay down my rule right now. You see, if me come back later and my clothes them no wash, tomorrow morning me I bring them guys laundry.
You don't have to carry them, God. At the
Listen
place
to
there.
what me I say. You see, if me come and them no wash, is a different approach me I go take this thing to.
What you mean different approach?
Me no talk to you.
Wait now, you don't even say nothing to me about the money. What happened to the youth here? Me say all of a sudden him just a behave so strong. Him lucky, make him stay there. So every day I forget up and mash up my hand. I buy him for go buy a machine and that's if you do you come and come talk about say your clothes them don't wash your wear clothes 2 days. You're lucky. If you never want to wear them 2 days, you know, then buy a machine, put on here. And who this gonna call me? You know, nobody stress me out, you know, so early. Hello, good morning. Who this? Hello? Who this? Errol, morning. How you want so early? No, I'm gone. I'm just leave out. What? Everything alright. What your problem so early? Everything alright. What your problem? What you come up here for? Your brother not here? Watch ya. He just call her and just hang up your phone, so. Why am I come up here for? You know you say your brother not there. He stay in yard because I don't want to see them. The man and brother just irritating.
You don't bother with that woman there, you know. Every man I see him thing with her, you know. It's Josiah.
Hi, oh Lord. Sean, how you doing, young man?
Not so good enough, ma'am.
What is wrong with you? I was just heading back home because I forget my fare. What happened to you?
Yeah, imagine, right? Me not really talk my business, you know, ma'am.
What you mean by you're not talking your business? Tell Madam Josiah what is wrong with you because that is what is wrong nowadays. You not talk what is wrong with you if people can't help you. Tell me, man, so I can help your situation.
Imagine my wife there the whole day for a week. My clothes them just a pile up in a basket, my dirty clothes them.
So what?
2 days now me I wear this, you know.
2 days you're wearing the same clothes? And she there warm every day, they playing here and they pop one?
That bother me, man.
Oh,
right, you know, me just feel like she just divorce her, you know, ma'am.
Listen to me. Woman like that is no good. I have my good daughter. You think my daughter couldn't treat you so? If my daughter and you did that? Leave the little girl. Because she could have never there at your yard and not doing anything. That is totally out of order. So look here.
Yeah,
so that's the reason why you and your wife quarreling every morning.
Every single morning,
Mighty
same thing.
God of
You understand,
Daniel.
from a married woman, you know, Miss Josiah, everything changed. She usually be this nice woman, you know, me even see this side here in her, you know.
Oh Lord, let me tell you something. So you didn't know that it's so married lifestyle. A lot of these young people, when they marry, them play so well because guess what? They wear a mask. You see, as soon as you put on the ring on them, dog me and the man supper because they put on everything, then tap do everything. But if you know what good for you, you would send her back to her parents' home and take my daughter.
Miss Josiah, here what me I go do. You see if me go in later and she not wash my clothes them,
Carry them, come give me, make me wash them.
you will do them for me?
Of course, and you give me a little change. But by the way, you soon turn my son-in-law, me shouldn't even take anything. But I know you would give me a little
So
change.
your
Of
husband
course
is
I will.
alright with that? If
You
wash
could
my
ask
clothes
that
them?
question. It's not if him alright with it, him have to alright with it. Because every
Yeah, but
morning
you
we
know-
recognize that you're miserable.
But sometimes you know some man say they know say you have your wife and then you have to come and wash my clothes them.
Oh Lord,
Them thing make me just
don't worry about that. Sean, we feel it for you. We feel it for you so much because every morning when we see you going through the gate, we see how you have to quarrel with this young girl. Eh? What is wrong with them? Them always pick up good man and then when they're done, when they've left them now, them say it's the man's fault.
And what the biggest thing, you know, me a talk to her, she have phone a play and she all a laugh off of me like say she did a banter me like. And I come, when me a walk out, I come and talk about say, she see new earphone online where she want to buy, where cost $30,000. So when me a do PR to stay home and look pretty in a house and my clothes them they.
Seriously, she said to you that you should buy hair for her?
Yeah, $30,000 a year. And now do nothing in a house to me. You think say that can be right?
That is totally unacceptable. Unacceptable. So what you're going to do about it? Take your clothes over by my house. My husband won't say anything about it. You alright?
When me come later, if she don't shape up, me I tell you.
Shape up. Listen to me. This is Madam Josiah advice. That is what you're not going to get. You hear what I said? You start to see her true color because you give her the ring too quick. And because she dealt with you for the hairstyle and the phone, that is what you're going to get. But don't worry yourself. It's up to you now. I have my good daughter. And from you see me, you know that my daughter is well refined.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
anytime you want to push her away, remember we know each other, you know, your mother know my mother. So, you know, I'll give you somebody very well.
Yes, ma'am.
All right?
Ma'am, I have to go home and me pay your fare.
Okay.
Come on, me pay your fare.
Thank you.
Petra. Petra.
It's all that.
I mean, Errol.
The door open.
You never see my credit done for you call me back.
Me never know say it's done your credit done. And moreover, why you call me so early for?
Some brother there.
You never hear over the phone to me saying gone to work.
Oh, me I got ear on the phone cut off.
That is your business and your problem. Where you come up here for?
So, what go on?
Nothing now go on. Watch out on your brain, so come off my bed.
Boy, that easy.
Come off.
My brother buy this in a girl.
What do you mean say your brother bed? So what you doing on your brother bed?
That easy, not there. So you move so. I'm glad some come up here.
Come off of your brother bed.
So what you up to all these days? What you
Same
told
as
me
how
up
you
to?
see it.
What you mean?
Same like how you see it. I don't have nothing to say. Because I don't want to mix up with you. Because I don't want to go tell a lie for me.
What kind of lie me I go tell for you?
What you mean?
See your socks are fixed.
We stop touch me up now. Oh, you so tame. Leave me alone, man. Can't take a problem, you know. Say your brother is one piece of problem, me I tell you, no use.
What you
I
mean?
don't know where food parents get on from. I say every morning the man just dead in me as well before him left. Be a quarrel, be a problem the man I give me before him leave.
So you tell me say not changing dirty ways.
Change what kind of dirty ways? Which part of him don't change? Which part of him don't change? Eh? Tell me, him look like somebody want change?
So when my cuss you for
Stop
now?
pull up my bed. I quarrel I come talk about time if I go wash clothes. Me if you wash clothes with my hand. Him don't try to buy a machine, him a work good money and him don't even buy one machine put on.
Well, you can't do him something there. You're not supposed to buy a machine for you can
And
wash.
he can't afford it and a dryer too. It look like everything me have to tell him to do.
You can have nice woman like you, have you a wash with their hand. Eh?
That me I said too.
Sometimes some man even know what they have. You
Them
know?
don't know what them have. And him, you know what hurt me? He make it go on like say this me stable. Supposed to hear my girl this morning. That's how when he come back this evening, if he close and wash one wine, I'm going to do with me.
When can do?
I'm going to fling me out of the house. Want to your brother is same sick?
Petra, you're a good woman, you know, because me not see you go nowhere at all, you know.
Me? You see me leave the
At
house?
daytime, if me come up here 50 times, you're there.
Right in the house,
Right in
in
the
my
house.
bed.
You know, me want a woman like this.
You know, see, me not even keep my friend.
That me I see.
friend.
So when I make a bad him every minute, he might cuss you off.
Him knows if I have the internet, I have my phone, me good. Him not have nothing else to worry about.
Well,
He come quarrel about house and all of this. Now relax himself when he come in, just relax himself. When he come in and get in dinner and all of them something, him go on like him just want to stress my brain out.
So man lucky than some, you know.
And that me I say,
Because all if me have you, you know, everything it all run smooth, you
you
know.
only a sister till when you get me a difference. So.
Nah man, but you're not easy. You're a good girl.
You sure? You sure, yeah, say?
What you mean?
Or just a sister because true, you know, say, me and your brother wife, you just a try for me.
No,
for your brother.
come on, man. You don't know me long time. I know say I saw me stay. Anything me say me mean it.
I don't know if you mean it. Because you maybe have to pick up for your brother on that style.
Sure. From me I grow, me know that the man they stay everything but I mean just miserable.
Him just want
and
everything perfect and him not perfect.
I don't intend to change him.
Him not change.
Him a go stay, him a go on till he stay alone.
Him go and live by himself because me not stay with him with that condition like that, me I tell him.
The time you decide say you want to leave, you know say you have a house to stay in. You understand?
You stay with you. You want your brother kill me?
So you carry on him left so that I know nothing?
Oh yeah.
Are we going to the country to live?
You really don't take care of me?
What you mean? Just give me a chance.
So you can buy my ears and
Sure.
them something like I'm gonna put on my nails and have my clothes them like
That
what your
are
brother
the
now.
least. That are the least. Ear are the least and nail are the least.
Make sure, you know, because as bad as things be, it make me have my good ear them.
Babes, no worry
And my
about
nice
that.
clothes.
Listen, me, man, no worry about that. Look how you look nice in a bed. You should have happy. Listen, me, man, you should have happy. Say you have a woman like you look there. And you're not give no trouble nor nothing.
Yeah, that me I said everybody should have out on the road every minute I drive up and down with dash, my foot on dashboard. That me I tell you.
Listen,
And that me should have do behind him back and show him have a perfect wife him just a go on with him being nice in the place.
listen, me, any him continue to go out in style. You just left him and make him move from your and go somewhere else. You understand what I say?
You make me feel like me I like you. Me like me feel good, me not like. Me like how you talk.
And now if they have to put up with that.
And I said, I wonder if you really, you miserable like him? Or you just a go on like?
Just calm.
Mr. say you just take everything easy. I wonder if I really say you go on in your yard. Oh boy, I don't eat nothing from man, you know.
Me worse. So we have to feel rest of the day.
Well, I did say I'm going to look over some feet and just relax myself. I never really plan to do nothing big.
So that means say, at what time I come in?
You don't know, so I'm not coming no time soon.
We can spend the day together then.
What's so mad? I suppose he just pop up back or something.
Just
You're
tell
not
him say
easy.
make me just come in and come check him. He not have to know nothing.
I don't like the sound of that. You don't really do that to your brother?
Sure.
You don't really do that to your brother? You don't really watch your brother heart break in pieces?
But he had break already and he say miserable. Come like you all know him not get over him first love, you know see that?
Oh,
So
oh
that
my
time I
God.
take out in stress for you.
All I may say,
Me if you have up your body but you're not easy.
what I mean, I got my good body, look good body. Look here. Them are nice clothes, they ain't bad for me now. Look how I look good in
So you say you always spend the day together?
If you say so.
Alright, we have for breakfast, so you can make for me.
I have, I think I have bacon there, and I have sausage, egg, and plantain. Or you want an omelette? What you want?
Well, anything where you feel suitable for me, I will take it. I not force you, I not demand you.
What if I fry dumpling and tin mackerel in my house?
I work with it, I not fuss it.
I drop me
Anything
away,
you
man.
prepare for me, alright with
You
that.
think your brother can have that big job there, me and him tin mackerel and fried dumplings still? You mad?
Would never.
Never.
Ethic alongside Sister PETRA. Up and Christ who them losing faith. Me stand firm and just a cruising straight. When the trumpet sound me be the first at the gate. With the lantern lights sweet home celebrate. Goodbye world, no more trouble, no pain. Inject me, Lord, straight in my vein.
Sing will the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Sing will the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over. Give me a new heart and make over. Hey, sing will the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Sing will the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over. Give me a new heart and make over. Yeah.
What is profit a man to gain the world and lose his soul? No repentance in the grave, I just run through your bone. Me a praise my Lord and I use my tone. Oh Lord, you are worthy to be praised. Me now give up, cause me know the journey soon over. Me stand firm for me Lord like any soldier. Michael and Gabriel take charge right now. Clear the path and the way